Have you ever wondered where your morning cup of coffee comes from? That comforting aroma and rich taste that kickstarts your day might have traveled thousands of miles before reaching your mug. For many coffee lovers around the world, the answer is India, a country known for its vibrant culture and now, increasingly, for its exceptional coffee. India is not just a tea nation, it's a rising star in the global coffee market. From the misty hills of Karnataka to the lush estates of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Indian coffee is making its mark. In 2023 to 24, our coffee exports jumped over 16%, reaching an impressive $1.26 billion. This surge highlights India's growing influence in the international coffee trade. This isn't just a number, it's the result of generations of hard work by Indian coffee growers, who have perfected their craft over decades, often passing down their knowledge through families. Better prices and growing demand are improving lives for thousands of farming families. With each harvest, more communities are seeing the benefits of global recognition and fairer trade. Indian coffee now stands out among global giants like Brazil and Colombia, earning a reputation for its unique flavors and sustainable farming practices. The government and Coffee Board of India are actively promoting our beans worldwide, building a strong brand and supporting farmers with new technologies and training. Coffee lovers across Europe and Asia are discovering the rich aroma and smooth flavor of Indian coffee, with specialty cafes and roasters proudly serving beans from our estates. So, next time you sip your coffee, remember, it may have started its journey in the lush hills of South India, nurtured by monsoon rains and the dedication of countless hands. Our rising exports are a testament to the quality and appeal of Indian coffee, which is carefully inspected and packed to meet the highest international standards. India is not just drinking coffee, we're shaping the world's coffee culture, one cup at a time, and sharing our story with every sip. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Coffee needs a very specific home, one that offers just the right balance of climate, soil, and care. It's not a crop that can grow just anywhere. It's a plant with particular needs, thriving only in select environments. And India's southern hills provide just that, a sanctuary where coffee can flourish. These rolling emerald landscapes are more than just beautiful. They're perfectly suited for nurturing coffee from seed to bean. The western and eastern Ghats, stretching across Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, are the heart of our coffee industry. These ancient mountain ranges are home to some of the most renowned coffee estates in the country. These hilly regions offer the perfect mix of altitude, abundant rainfall, and natural shade. Three essential ingredients for coffee to thrive. The cool mists and gentle slopes create an environment where coffee plants can grow slowly and develop rich flavors. Indian coffee is almost entirely shade-grown, protected beneath a canopy of native trees. These trees not only shield the delicate coffee plants from harsh sunlight, but also enrich the soil and contribute to the bean's distinctive taste. This traditional eco-friendly method preserves biodiversity, allowing birds, butterflies, and countless other species to thrive alongside the coffee. It creates a unique microclimate that's rare in the world of agriculture. The slow ripening of cherries under shade gives Indian coffee its smooth, complex taste. Each bean matures at its own pace, absorbing the subtle flavors of the forest around it. You won't find coffee farms in the plains or deserts, only in these misty green hills where the air is cool and the soil is rich. Here, coffee finds the perfect conditions to express its true character. The partnership between nature and agriculture here is truly special. Farmers work in harmony with the land, respecting the rhythms of the forest and the needs of the crop. The hills of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu are where Indian coffee's magic happens. Each sunrise brings new promise to these plantations as generations of growers continue a proud tradition. Shade-grown beans are smoother and less acidic, making them popular worldwide. Their gentle flavor and rich aroma are a testament to the care and environment in which they're grown. Our geography is a key reason Indian coffee is gaining global recognition. From international competitions to specialty cafes, these beans are celebrated for their quality and character. It's a true treasure from the tropical hills of our nation, a gift from the land and the people who nurture it with passion and expertise. Every cup tells the story of this unique landscape, a story of misty hills, ancient forests, and the enduring bond between nature and tradition. When it comes to coffee, two names dominate: Arabica and Robusta. Arabica is prized for its sweet, nuanced flavors and higher acidity, perfect for specialty coffee lovers. Robusta, on the other hand, is bold, strong, and packs nearly double the caffeine. Robusta's resilience makes it easier and cheaper to grow, and it's essential for espresso blends and instant coffee. India is unique in producing significant amounts of both varieties. Arabica thrives in higher, cooler regions. Robusta prefers lower, warmer, more humid areas. This diversity lets Indian farmers cater to a wide global market. Our Robusta, especially Capi Royale, is world-renowned. Many Indian blends combine Arabica's aroma with Robusta's strength for a balanced cup. The balance between these two beans is vital for our coffee economy. Understanding their differences helps us appreciate the variety in every cup. Indian coffee offers a world of flavors, thanks to both Arabica and Robusta. Growing great coffee is all about the right mix of climate, rain, and soil. These three elements work together in harmony, shaping the very character of every coffee bean. Without the right environment, even the best seeds can't reach their full potential. Coffee thrives in hot, humid climates without extreme temperatures. The warmth encourages steady growth, while humidity keeps the plants lush and green. Too much heat or cold can stress the plants, affecting both yield and flavor. South India's hills offer the perfect temperature range for both Arabica and Robusta. The gentle slopes and misty mornings create a microclimate that shields the plants from harsh weather, allowing them to mature slowly and develop complex flavors. Rainfall is crucial. Coffee needs plenty of rain, but also a dry spell to trigger flowering. Consistent showers nourish the roots, while the dry period signals the plants to bloom, setting the stage for a healthy harvest. The monsoon delivers water, while a dry season encourages those magical blossom showers. This unique rhythm of wet and dry is what makes Indian coffee plantations so productive and vibrant. Deep, well-drained loamy soil, rich in organic matter, is essential for healthy plants. This type of soil holds just enough moisture, while allowing excess water to drain away, preventing diseases and supporting strong root systems. The forest soils of the Western Ghats are ideal, giving Indian coffee its unique flavor. These ancient soils are packed with nutrients, and the surrounding forests add a special character to the beans, infusing them with subtle notes you can taste in every cup. Good drainage prevents root rot, while rich minerals enhance taste. Healthy soil means healthy plants, and that translates directly into the quality of the coffee you enjoy. Any major change, drought or heavy rain, can impact the crop. Too little water can stunt growth, while too much can wash away nutrients or cause flooding, making careful management essential. That's why coffee farmers are so attuned to weather and soil health. They constantly monitor the land, adapting their methods to protect the plants and ensure a successful harvest year after year. The delicate balance of climate, rain, and soil is nature's recipe for Indian coffee. Each region, each farm brings its own unique combination, resulting in a rich diversity of flavors and aromas. Our farmers work in harmony with these elements to produce world-class beans. Their deep knowledge and respect for the land are passed down through generations, making Indian coffee truly special. It's a partnership that makes every cup special, a blend of nature's gifts and human dedication, coming together in every sip. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Karnataka is the undisputed king of Indian coffee. This state alone produces over 70% of the country's coffee. The story began in the Baba Budangiri Hills, and today, Chikamagaluru, Kodagu, and Hassan form India's coffee belt. The region's high altitude, cool climate, and rich soil are perfect for both Arabica and Robusta. Coffee here is more than a crop. It's a way of life, passed down through generations. Support from the Coffee Board of India helps growers blend tradition with modern techniques. Karnataka's legacy as India's coffee capital is a source of national pride. Karnataka leads, but Kerala and Tamil Nadu are vital to India's coffee story. Kerala, especially Wayanad, contributes over 20% of our coffee, mainly bold Robusta grown alongside spices. Intercropping here supports both farmers and the environment. Tamil Nadu's Nilgiri Hills, Yercaud, and Kodaikanal produce exceptional Arabica, prized for fruity floral notes. Beyond the south, new regions like Andhra Pradesh's Araku Valley are gaining fame for organic Arabica, grown by tribal communities. These emerging areas bring fresh stories and flavors to Indian coffee. Coffee cultivation is expanding, creating new opportunities and success stories. Each region adds its own character to the national blend. Together, they make India's coffee landscape rich and diverse. The future of Indian coffee is brewing across the country. Arabica is the queen of coffee, but she's demanding. It needs stable, mild temperatures and is highly sensitive to climate change. Arabica is vulnerable to diseases like coffee leaf rust, which can devastate crops. Robusta is hardier, but Arabica's delicate flavor comes at a cost. Arabica grows best at high altitudes, where cool air and mist slow cherry ripening for richer taste. Steep slopes mean most work is done by hand, making cultivation labor-intensive. Farmers must constantly monitor for pests and disease, adding to the challenge. Climate change, frost, drought, or unseasonal rain can ruin a year's harvest. Growing Arabica is a labor of love, requiring skill and dedication. Its scarcity and complexity make every cup more precious. Appreciating Arabica means understanding the care behind every bean. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Indian coffee has fans worldwide, but Europe is our biggest market. Italy loves our Robusta for espresso blends, while Germany values our consistent quality. Other European countries like Belgium and Spain are also major buyers. The EU appreciates our eco-friendly, shade-grown beans. In the Middle East, bold Indian coffee suits traditional strong brews. Japan is drawn to our specialty Arabica, especially from unique regions like Araku Valley. The US is discovering Indian monsooned Malabar, known for its mellow, earthy flavor. Our diverse offerings let us cater to every taste, from espresso to specialty blends. Indian coffee is winning hearts and cups across the globe. Coffee is more than a drink in India. It's a lifeline for millions. The industry supports over 2.5 million people, mostly small farmers in the south. Coffee exports bring in over $1 billion, strengthening our economy. Domestic coffee culture is booming, creating jobs and new markets. Shade-grown coffee preserves biodiversity and prevents soil erosion in the Western Ghats. Plantations act as green cover, supporting countless species of birds and insects. By choosing Indian coffee, consumers support both people and the planet. Coffee is a story of empowerment, sustainability, and national pride. It's a beautiful harmony between human effort and nature's gifts. The journey from southern hills to global cups is a legacy to protect. Indian coffee's aroma and impact will continue to delight the world for generations. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.